Hey, good morning, gang. Here we are back at it, me and Trading Cowboy. It's 9:29 in the morning. We got 20 seconds before market opens. Obviously, today's FOMC day. We got big old Papa Powell showing up at 2 o'clock. Well, FOMC 2 o'clock, Papa Powell 2:30. It always moves the market just absolutely insanely. So I don't know. Obviously, we got to be a little bit patient here this morning, kind of see how everything works out. Popping over to my screen just really quick. So, recapping yesterday, we had this really nice pop up just for the first hour of the day, essentially, and then we just kind of consolidated. After night or overnight, though, we absolutely ripped all the way up here to 26,350. So if we get a little bit of momentum this morning, I would say that would probably be our target. I'm definitely more bullish leaning on the day than bearish. But besides that, I guess we got to kind of just wait and see. Definitely going to wait until like 9:35 here. And sorry for taking up all the audio space here, but Trading Cowboy as well had his first ever solo live stream yesterday, and I think he did a phenomenal job. What do you guys think?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, very, very, very nicely done. Good tonation,
There's a lot
good
more nerves in
tonality.
that than a lot of people would think.
Yeah, dude. Right. It's so how did it feel doing your first ever solo live stream? How did it feel? Like trying to talk to yourself and stuff like that.
Oh my gosh. I mean, yeah, you just keep talking and you're like, okay, is dead airspace bad or good or,
Mm-hmm.
you know, and you're talking to yourself and there's nobody there that answers back and you're like, you're over here going, please, somebody comment, somebody send something.
Dude, exactly, man. And sometimes it sounds so like I'll be halfway through like a stupid story and nobody's listening or talking back or anything like that. And then I'll notice a trade starts happening, so I'll just stop, and I'll just get it back into the trade and then realize like, it's probably a
Yeah.
dumb story anyways. Yeah, kind of funny, man.
You talk about wanting to FOMO into a trade so you can be showing somebody something. I mean,
Literally.
it's real. It's real.
Literally, and it's that kind of weird pressure that again, like people are here to see you trade. So you not making a trade, you just kind of feel silly sitting there sometimes. As my trade
Yeah.
evade is frozen.
I've refreshed mine several times and it keeps freezing. So
Yeah, man, they just did an update today too.
it
That's
kind of looks like
frustrating.
that's kind of the standard looking around on some of the news coming through.
Huh? Yeah,
My
mine's
trading view's
completely
looking pretty
frozen.
good. But yeah.
Yeah, yours is frozen too.
Yeah.
Trade evade. It's FOMC day. What are you doing to us? Oh. Shoot, man. So my trading view is working, and it seems like we're ripping right now. Honestly,
Yeah, we are. We're
I
pushing
wouldn't.
to 26,279.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind kind of being part of this push, but I don't want to blindly do it without being able to see
Yeah, what's working and what's not working.
what the heck. So here we are ripping up. We're all the way up to the 280s now. Well, but there you go. Now we're getting a little reaction back down to 270s. I mean, again, it's going to be a crazy day. It's FOMC. It's FOMC. Plus, we're at all-time highs. Basically, we're off by 100 points. Plus, we have crazy earnings weeks, right? This is crazy tech earnings week. We have, what is it? Meta is today. I think Microsoft is today. Google is next week. I mean, we got a lot of the big boys right now. How does your portfolio look besides futures? Do you hold on to solo stocks and stuff?
I've got some. I've got a couple small shares of Tesla, some Netflix, some Nvidia,
Yep.
and then a couple penny stocks from years ago that are literally worth nothing. But
Just holding on. Holding on
I
hope.
own more of the company. Yeah, I own more of the company than they do. So
Dude, tell me it's humble. Tell me you have humble.
no, no. But I have a couple shipping companies
Uh-huh.
and stuff that was supposed to be go huge, and then they got delisted and
Yeah, man. Same thing, bud. Same thing. Hey, morning, Miguel. Always a pleasure, sir. You are literally
Good
our
morning,
number
Miguel.
one cheerleader, bud. We appreciate the heck out of you. And Miguel, if your mom is watching, hi, Miguel's mom. Let's see. Sorry, I'm trying to re-log back into Tradivate because it was glitching out too much. So hopefully we
Yeah, I
can
just
get
can't
this
get it to move again.
stinking thing to work.
How's yours, Miguel? What are you trading on? Are you using Tradivate?
She's making her coffee. Nice, dude. Drinking my tea right now. Yeah, man. What are you, Miguel? Are you on Tradeovate as well? And are you getting glitches? I haven't even been able to see my screen. I'm seeing like 2 candles. Yeah, it's down. He says, "Shoot,
Yeah.
FOMC
This
day.
may be
Come
the most
on."
profitable day I've had in a while if it doesn't work.
Yeah. All right. Oh man.
And so, yeah, I did a little video. I didn't get to record my screen yesterday, but after everything got closed, I was kind of working on some stuff and
Yep.
watching one of the streams, and the guys were talking about, gold was setting up for the perfect move. And I'm like, the last time I played gold, I lost 2 or 3 accounts. And so I was like, okay. So I kind of looked at it and I was like, oh, yeah, that looks good. It's consolidating. It's a little
Yeah.
bull flag. And I entered and got down about $100 and then just bought another one. And, I'm not really familiar to realize that, I'm playing $100 a point or something, I'm not
Right.
that smart yet on gold. And it just exploded. And within seconds, I looked and I had to exit and, past an eval in about 2 minutes. And I was like,
Dang.
holy cow. And, NASDAQ really wasn't moving. And I switched back over to it and it started moving right after gold exploded. So
Yeah. Damn,
crazy
dude.
trade.
Yeah, I saw that. I saw that short that you made. That was the short you released yesterday, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
It was
Crazy
insane.
friggin'
But yeah, a
trade,
little over
man.
$3,000.
Fucking nicely done, man. This dude's just passing evals left and right. So this week, then, is that your second, or have you passed more than 2?
That's 4 this week. So yeah.
4. This dude has
Yeah.
passed 4 evals this week, gang. That's not bad. I haven't passed 4 evals this week. I can tell you that.
Some of it thanks to the stream, right?
Yeah, right. Yeah, we're there. We're there. Man, this is
We
so
need to get our
frustrating.
AI back online too.
This is insanely frustrating. This seems like actually, I mean, again, I'm only looking at Tradeovate, so I don't have my columns and stuff like that. But this looks like a good, as long as it doesn't keep bleeding, this might be a support for eventually a buy.
Yeah,
Huh.
but can we? I mean, do you watch the Trading View chart and hope Tradeovate enters you, or
Yeah, I know. I was wondering that. I haven't even tried to place a trade yet. I wonder if we can. I wonder if it would take a trade. Huh. I mean, should we just
okay?
try
So
one in the name of science? Hold on. Now I
I
can't even
mean,
believe
no,
this.
because I tried one and it entered me at 246,
Oh.
and it shows I'm down $75.
Interesting. Oh, all right. Hold on. Let's switch over to you.
Yeah, so look at that.
Huh.
So the price was at 225 roughly when I on Trading View.
Yeah.
So
Hey, morning, Marco. What's up, big dog? We haven't seen you in a couple days.
morning.
Hope all is well, sir. Looking
Do a little
forward to the
refresh.
trip too, man. You got to let me know when you're coming down, when you're gonna pop by. You know, we'll get the airstream ready. That'll be cool. Oh. Well, shoot, guys. I don't know.
Yeah, you
I
don't
was
know what
stuck
we can
down
do
in
right
Florida
now.
these last couple days. Oh, you're in Florida right now? No way, man. Is this just a quick trip, or is this is this going to be the month-long one? American Airlines had a debacle. Well, dude, it is freezing out right now. Man, this is so frustrating. So your trading cowboy, what happened? Are you
Well,
still
it's
in
still
it?
sitting. Yeah, I mean, it still shows my entry at 246, but we clearly entered at about 223. So technically, with no glitches, we'd be up about 20 points right now.
What the
But
heck, man?
but yeah, I mean, it's just froze where it is. So
And then where can you even? I mean, can you put a target on there?
uh, I mean, yeah, let me set one at 255 and see if it.
See if it triggers. Huh.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. What a
You know,
dumb thing.
she just hit 248, so maybe we can get a push up to 255, and I don't know.
Let's see. Not to send you guys to a different stream, but I'm gonna jump on Patrick's stream really quick. Are they saying the same thing?
Yeah, his was frozen for a little bit, and then his came back and looks like it's working pretty good now.
Oh really? Oh yeah, his is working. Shit.
Now, it wasn't a while ago, but okay, now mine just goes to the next a minute behind or so, but according to TradingView, it should have taken my.
Oh yeah, it should have taken your. It should have taken your sale.
Yeah, so
Big
I
delay.
guess we'll
Yeah,
just sit back and wait.
everybody is complaining about it, but then everybody's also saying, how is Patrick's Trade working?" Well,
And
this
his
is
wasn't for a while, but you got to remember he's being sponsored by Trade, so
correct, man. So he's got that number. Shoot, man. I know we briefly talked about that the other day, but that was pretty disappointing. I reached out to all those different reached out to all those different prop accounts, and all of them got back to me, and they were like, "Not yet." Like, oh, all right, thanks, guys.
did you send him the picture with you standing beside Patrick and stuff, or
Man, and I put it well. So it was frustrating because I did write a really good email, and I was like, if they read the email, I'm in. But instead, every single one has their own kind of like questionnaire that you go through, and it's like a 5 question
yeah,
questionnaire. So it destroyed my email, and then I just had to,
uh,
and I don't know.
they
It was like you only had like 100 character limits for like each answer, and it was just yeah. So it was kind of discombobulated. But yeah, they all said no. Like I said, the only one that automatically said yes was funding ticks, and now they're gone. Yay.
they're like, sure, why not?
Yeah. Well, guys, if you guys can trade right now, I mean, this is a very, 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 very nice bull flag playing out. Yeah, shoot, man. Absurdly frustrating. I'm just going to keep, I guess, logging in, see if it'll work eventually. Oh, is there another update thing? Where can you do the update? Ooh, download desktop app. Wait, I have the desktop app, don't I? Yeah, this is the desktop app. Man, every single time I do this, I got to keep making sure like I'm not showing my copying and pasting the account and password, and the password's visible right
Right,
now.
right.
You guys have to trade some Top Step evals. Man, I just bought a bunch of Apex actually because Apex is 90% off. But obviously I can't even trade the dang thing right now because it's not working.
I mean, my trade is killing it, but I can't enter or exit anything. So I guess I could exit, but I don't know what it
What it
actually
would
shows. I'm
actually
down
be.
$15. In spite, my actual entry should have been 223.
Right.
So technically, we're up almost 70 points from
Could
there,
you
but
imagine?
we're up over 40 points right now on the entry it gave me, but it shows I'm still down $15.
Wow,
So
dude.
insane. I mean, I don't want to exit for a $15 loss,
Yeah, of
but
course, right. It would be so silly, especially again, it's a
especially when we're
monster.
up
It's a
40
monster
points.
trade. I'm very curious now. Huh. I mean, so when I exited out of mine and then re-logged back in, it does show the updated at least chart, even though it's frozen still. I wonder if you should exit out,
Okay.
log back in, and then it might show
And
it.
actually log back in. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Let me
And I'll
try
keep it
that.
on my screen just to make sure that we're not showing anything.
Sure.
Oh my goodness. Man, that was so Big Daddy Max Option Trading, he got glitched out on Trade of 8 one time, and he was in heavy. He was in super heavy, got glitched out. He was glitched out for like 15, 20 minutes, freaking out, calling every CEO he could, kind of a thing, trying to get it activated and hooked up again. Then he finally found his iPad, like downstairs, that could still connect to it, and was able to finally exit out of his position. And it had gone up like 120 points on or something like that, and he ended
Oh,
up
nice.
accidentally making like 120 grand. It was
Oh,
insane, man. In freaking insane. But I think they were all evals too, so I think it messed it up, right? Because like the
oh yeah,
consistency rule
yeah.
with whatever he was on, he's like, well, those are just fucked anyways. Did it end up working?
No, I mean, I get a little bit more candles added to it, and
Charles, good morning, guys. Yesterday the plan of 1 million didn't pan out, so I'm gonna try again today. Did it work for you
heck
guys?
yeah.
Man,
I always tell everybody, Charles,
right?
I always tell everybody I'm working on my second million because I gave up on the first one.
It's our next T-shirt, man.
There you go.
This dude is just a wealth of T-shirts, just spitting them out left and right.
You know, I honestly think that's probably the niche that we should be in is the cool gear trading t-shirts because
Yeah,
you don't see
dude.
those.
I was thinking that myself, man, because they really don't have it yet. It's not out there. The only thing I don't like is the margins just suck. I mean, it's nice that you can do the drop shipping
Yeah,
plan, but the cost is going to be like 15 for us. You got to sell it for 25, so the profit is about 10, which is pretty good. But you have to sell a
right,
shitload of T-shirts at $10 to make,
right.
you know, legitimate money.
And
But
if
I
you get
agree
one
with you.
lost in the mail,
But then again, with your wife, man, if she's dialed in with all like the SEO, AI, blah 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 blah, if we came up with a clever enough shirt, threw it on like Facebook's, advertising algo or something like that, and it actually does blow up. But again, it's such a
yeah,
trader, like NQ traders specifically, or just even future traders, is kind of a niche, I would say, right?
yeah. And this is interesting now too. So PW is showing his deal right now, and it actually gave him the same entry that I have,
No
and so he's trying to set
way.
his take profit up above. But
Yeah, this is frustrating, man. How dumb.
yeah, I think I'll just do the same thing as him, see what happens.
All right, so the Nasdaq pushed up there to the top of the opening range, pulled right back to the middle again. Let's see what happens, dude. This fucking market's rigged, dude. The market makers are coming for my entry down there. The market makers, they're mad. They're like, this fucker, he got filled. Yeah, the entry is 70 points below. They're coming for it. I'm telling you.
Wow, dude, that is weird. And it's also weird that it's showing the same profit. Like it's showing everything. He's up $15, same exact
Yeah,
entry that
yeah.
you entered.
And
That's
I was
crazy.
clearly at my entry was clearly 25
Yeah.
on the entry, and it gave me 46. So
Dude, and now look at this just dart. Look at this dart coming down.
yeah,
I'm telling you right now, if you can't trade, it might be a blessing in disguise because this price action right now
insane.
is bad.
Wow, man. Wow. That's kind of nuts too. Just went straight to the top of the range just to crash all the way back down. Well, wow. What a Come on, guys, on FOMC day.
Yeah,
it's literally
yeah.
it's literally Wolf of Wall Street, when the dude is cleaning his fish tank, and Jordan Belfort comes over and just starts beating him up, and he's like, on IPO day, you're you're cleaning your fish tank on IPO day. God damn.
And this is clearly going to be bad for all the prop firms, right? Because this is like their harvest day, I'm sure, to
Yeah.
people replacing accounts. So
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I mean, it's got to be no. It's definitely not a coincidence that Apex did their 90% off sale right before FOMC day. You know,
yeah,
because they know people are just YOLO and losing shit like crazy. Marco, hey, driving obsession morning, bud. And then Marco, I used to trade the 5-minute chart on Forex, and price action like this used to depress me. Yeah, dude. If you're looking at this on a 5-minute, this is nuts, right? I mean, that's a 5-minute engulfing candle. And this 5-minute engulfing candle is like 75 points. 75-point engulfing candle is kind of crazy. Well, I guess let's check on the goats. Let's see if the goats are frozen solid yet. They're probably not even out. Man, I feel bad. Ever since you joined the stream, Trading Cowboy, I haven't been showing the goats as much. You're taking up all my goat airtime.
I'm funny, guys.
Which, yeah, dude, they're frozen solid, man. Oh no, they are out. Look at this. They're out. They're enjoying a little bit of sunshine. Need this camera to crisp up. Man, how advanced is your like camera setup and everything over there? Are you able to take your camera up and like walk around with it and stuff? Oh, my back. I'm back. I think I'm back.
Yeah, you know, if when I'm on OBS, I can, but I'm not sure how to do it from here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because we got to get a tour of the barn one day, man. I want to see the horses and stuff.
Yeah.
Are you back as well? I'm dancing pretty good. I have this weird gap right here, so I'm almost thinking about
No, I
closing
tried
it.
to log out. I'm logged out again, waiting a few seconds, but
Yeah, I almost want to log out and log back in, but
But it's
I'm also
just a black
hesitant to
screen.
now that it's actually dancing and working. But look at that crash just to come back right up to our midway point. Sitting right in between these two shelves. $9.50. We're still pushing. Man, let me see if I can get a trade in. I wonder if I can get a trade in. Do I want?
I was going to say for anybody that can trade, I mean, we've got a beautiful inversion setting up. We cleared the EMAs, the VWAP. Yeah, maybe we get a push back to the top of the box at 295 and maybe try to clear 302.
Shoot. Let's see. Yeah, if we can clear these wicks. I just wanted to clear like the 274. Nvidia's forming a nice bull flag. Oh, here we go. So wicked up, came back down a little bit. Let's see if we can retest like a 271 now.
Yeah, 271. We don't want it to go too much farther below, but
man, so this is my first time ever copy trading. I have like 5 accounts
Okay.
linked. So do you have to
so
do
yeah, just
5?
click 5.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then it'll only be 1 per?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. So it won't be 5 per, right?
No, not unless you click it 5 times.
Nice, man. Weird. So then you probably can't take out partials either. Then you have to sell them on 5 too.
Yeah,
I
it's
kinda
all
got
of them. Yeah.
too slow for this. I don't know if I should still chase this now though. We're at the top of the bodies.
Now that's going to be just you're going to have one micro on each, so you do the same thing you always do now.
Yep.
You just know that it's spread out over that.
All right. Well, I kind of missed that trade. We'll see if it comes back down a little bit. We'll try it again. Seems to still be pushing though. Let's see. What time is it? 9:53. Huh. Well, that sucks. Oh no.
Yeah, now I'm kind of wondering after this little candle here, if we don't get a little pullback, maybe down to 267 somewhere in there, and then maybe a push to go higher. Okay, there
Yeah.
it goes right there. So
Shoot, man, I hate this. Look at this. I can't see nothing. Look at it. I'm in a position. I did click buy, and it said working. But again, I have no idea where I'm at.
oh,
I don't know where it took it. I don't know if this cell will even go through. Nothing's moving. Click cancel. I don't want to click cancel right now though, because technically, I mean, when I clicked enter, I was up here at 83. So I don't want to I don't want to flatten it when I'm below, because I think the move will be right. But you're right. I'll try to cancel it. Maybe if it goes up to where I think is green, which should be right about here, presumably. Let's see if it takes.
Order
Shows we're up
filled.
437. I'm trying to hit exit and market. Uh-oh. No idea. Wait, now it shows I'm
Hey, that's a
short.
great trade, though.
Why does it show that I'm short, though? I didn't go in short. What is happening? What is happening?
Hey guys, just for the record, 2 dummies over here have tried Tradivate now. Do not enter.
Yeah, do not
try to-
enter trades, gang. Do not enter trades. Oh no. So I wonder, I don't know, let me go to each individual one. Does it show? No idea. No idea. Stupid friggin' thing. Well, I have no idea. No idea. No idea. I've now flattened everything to the best of my knowledge.
You know, the problem is I don't know how they're going to solve it. If multiple people clicked buy and it entered everybody at 246,
Right.
and their deal is froze, and now it's up 50 points. I mean,
Right.
they may not want to reset it right now.
And so let me think about this logically, though. So this is showing that I'm up $86. I think, and it showed me going short, which I didn't go short. I think I went long right around the 80s, I'd say. And then I probably took it at 9. So I should only be up $18, not $86.
Yeah.
And then it would have been 18 over, you know, I'd be up $100 total, I guess. Well, shit, guys.
Hey, great
on.
trade, Greg.
Yeah, let me, oh my God. All right, I'm going to exit out, try to enter back in. Could you imagine if somehow it just blows up my accounts today? You're just stuck, you know, perpetually stuck in a trade. Or maybe everything gets passed today.
There you go.
Could you imagine? I log in tomorrow and I'm up, you know, $8 billion. Yeah, I know. Apex has 90% off. I know, man. So that's why I just bought 5, you know, Apex accounts. That's what I'm, you know, copy trading over here. But
Yeah, Mark, that's what got us in this situation. We got
Fuck
some cheap
me.
accounts, and
yep, no idea. Can you do it from their Can you flatten positions from Apex? Instead of going to Tradivate, can you just go to Apex and do it?
you know, I don't know.
Huh. Yeah, it's like a last ditch resort. Like, get me out of this thing. Huh, how strange. Well, this is definitely the most unique live stream that we've done so far.
You know, I used to trade on TradingView, my accounts, and would have them linked, but there was such a delay that I couldn't follow good enough. So
Yeah.
I don't even think that would be an option right now.
Man, weird. So when you log back into yours, does your position show flattened or anything yet?
No, I mean, it still shows I'm entered at 246, and then it shows I'm down $15, and it keeps going back from $15 to $75. So
Weird, dude. Weird, weird, weird.
and I don't
Huh.
know.
Weird.
If I click exit, it does nothing. Market canceled, nothing.
Nothing. Oh, I want to know. Man, it just teased me. It teased me for a half a sec because it was looking all good, you know. I was like starting to dance a little bit. Wow, but on the 5 minute, this does look a little bit nuts, you know. I mean, we're just literally we're 5 minute barcoding, but pretty, you know, nice swings, 30-point swings. Oh, well, I don't know. I guess we'll just give it, you know, 20, 30 more minutes. I mean, I'm not going to waste my whole day sitting here. I'm guessing by FOMC it'll probably be working again, but I'll be gone, unfortunately. That does stink a little bit. I'm
Yeah.
going to miss FOMC today.
Which isn't terrible, but sometimes that gives you an option to pass all those apexes at once, or
Yep. Or blowing them up, or blow them all up
Yeah.
at once, you know. Well, try again. Application settings. Is there anything else that we can update? I mean, you got to imagine there's somebody at Tradeovate freaking out right now, right? There's got to be so many IT people just freaking out.
And when you go into the login page, now they've got a little warning at the top saying they're trying to look into it to see what's going on.
What's going on? Damn, dude. Insane. Marco says we are back to the 930 open price. That is not good for a momentum trader like me. Yeah, man. Yeah, no good.
Yeah.
No good. The only thing you could do though, man, is you know, you can always you usually get chopped up though, so I shouldn't even say it because you already know, but you can always try to play that range. I mean, it seems like we're in a pretty specific range. So it wouldn't be terrible to go long and just put the stop right here. That's literally a 5-point stop. I mean, you might be guaranteed to get stopped out, but 5 points to potentially make 30. It's really not a bad play. Or you could even put it at 243 as if freaking gets stopped out right now. Watch. Welcome to Sink or Swim, where we paper trade.
Right, so we're going to pretend to go short right here.
Yeah, I know. All right, so I'm long. We're going to say, I'm going to try. Oh, shit. As I would have just gotten stopped out right there. Whoa, big stopped out. All right, well, we're down 10 points on the trade. Sorry, gang. All right, we're doubling down. 5 contract. We're doing 30 contracts on this trade, guys. We just entered at 245, so we're up 5. Oh, so dumb. Come on. Come on, Greg.
And he's back up.
Oh, he's back.
he's taking a little off right there.
The Lambo is actually, I can see the Lambo in the distance getting delivered right now. Come on, come on, come on. So, let me try to just log in again. Okay. What is Patrick saying? Anything else yet? Currently, we are looking into a market data interruption with simulated environments. We're actively working into it and will update soon. Warning, your clock is out of sync with the automatic clock. I don't know why it always says that shit. My clock is not out of sync with the automatic clock. I refresh that shit every single day. Don't you tell me my stuff is out of sync. What does focus mean? Uh-oh, we don't want that. Focus period. What? What is focus? End session. That's stupid. There we go. That's synced. All right. Have we made $1 million yet? No, we have not. Now we're starting to form a bear flag on the 1 minute, though.
Yeah, you know, slight bear flag, but I really liked how it dropped below the lows and then
Came back
pulled
up.
right back above them, and now we're kind of consolidating. So,
Yeah.
but we do have the VWAP and EMAs above that. So
Yeah. And
yeah,
we got nice support.
I think you literally drew the exact same line I already have on my screen. So that's perfect. That is perfect.
That's why we friends. Hold on, I'm trying to see it. Oh, it's not populating your trader.
So it won't even pull up there now, huh?
Yeah.
Let me
Yeah,
go
I
change
like it,
that
man.
screen
Especially
for
if
you.
pops 265, it's gonna go up pretty good. Bloop 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 bloop. Because we still haven't touched our overnight stuff. Overnight 349, so we're literally 100 points. 100 points down from what we hit at like 1 o'clock last night. Which that was frustrating too when I logged on this morning. I was like, oh man, it actually did make that pop. But,
Yeah.
you know, it didn't make it until 1 o'clock, so I would have had to auto renew at that point anyways.
Yeah, when you told me you were late last night, I was like, our time, we're an hour behind you. So,
Yeah.
you know, midnight was like boom. And that
Yeah.
was perfect. So,
Oh yeah. Dang, man. Oh, so you might know this then, since you're a wealth of knowledge for this prop firm space. When are you allowed to? I know you can't hold overnight, but does that just mean that you can't hold past 5 o'clock into the 6 o'clock? But once it hits 6 o'clock, you can enter a trade and then hold from 6 o'clock all the way back until 5 p.m. again?
yeah. So you need to check each prop firm, but most of them, like a Take Profit Trader, I think is the longest one. I think you can hold theirs till like 3 or so it'd be 4:59 y'all's time. But you can
Okay.
hold it to a minute before close. Um, some of the other ones I don't remember. It seems like a Top Step may have been 10 or 15 minutes after, I think, into the
Okay.
hour. So about 30 or 40 minutes before close.
Yeah.
But yeah, as soon as it opens at our 5 o'clock, your 6 o'clock, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can enter a trade right then and ride it all the way through.
The
So
whole time, man. And I honestly didn't know that because I thought like you can't hold overnight literally meant like overnight, not like, hey, you can't hold past 5 o'clock until 6, you know?
right, yeah.
Because yeah, last night, I mean, I was thinking that too. I was like, man, this thing's gonna just keep going up. My entries were all around like the 220s and stuff like that. And again, it went all the way up to, hey Miguel, I'm actually no, the Trading View is just for, I mean, yes. So I use Trading View for charting, but not for trading. So I have you know, my Trading View just to show the charts, but my Trade Evade is completely locked out. See, it just, you know, we're just stalled out right here. And again, I didn't even enter a short position. I entered a long position. I entered 5 contracts long, and it shows me 1 contract short. Hey, Bull versus Bear. Good morning, bud. How we doing, man?
Now your short is playing out perfect from your entry.
Oh, I know it, right? I know.
I mean,
I know.
that was genius.
Yeah, dude. So honestly, we might be up. We might be up 40 points on the short right now that we didn't intend to take.
Good morning, Bulls versus Bears.
Yeah, how strange. So basically what happened is I took a long. I tried to take a long like right here, and then all the chaos started happening. So I did I had you know, my take profit was up here, but I moved the target down to here. So it snagged that target, but instead of it showing me getting flattened, it showed me as going in short. So yeah, who the hell knows, man? That would be bananas, wouldn't it, if I actually am short right now? Up $1 billion.
1 billion.
$1 billion. Cancel all. Cancel all.
I think I've tried every one of those buttons.
Let's try the reverse button. Reverse and cancel.
Now at the same time, I mean, I'd tell you to hold this position and see if we can't get a flush back down to the bottom of the box, back to the low. So
Yeah.
it looks like we're trying to push down there right now. So
Man.
so you're actually going to get your 100 points live today.
Live on the YouTube. Live
Guys,
on
you
the
can
YouTube.
clearly see his entry.
Yep. Yeah, exactly. You guys saw that 289 entry. Exactly. We're down to 248 right now. As soon as we kiss 189, we've done it. We get to pack up and leave. That's it. G-Wagons for everybody.
Yeah, we do this live, guys.
Ugh. Bradley Garrett, let's make a little money. Good morning. Yeah, so I'd be curious, guys. Does anybody not use Tradivate that is currently in the chat, and are you able to trade? Like Bradley Garrett. You just caught a short on the free eval Top Step gave me. So, Marco, what are you using? Are you using Tradivate or are you using TradingView, or what are you using right now to actually trade? Use Top Step. Oh, so I'm sorry. So with Top Step, you don't use Tradivate or anything like that. You just you go into Top Step's platform and you do it directly.
Yeah, Top Step has their own trade platform called Project X. So they actually own Project X, so it's called Top Step X.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Actually, I haven't even looked at it then yet. Sorry, guys. So does it look like Tradivate's screen at all? I mean, is it a little bit similar? Or is it just completely its own thing?
No,
Like
it's completely different.
indicators and everything?
Yeah, I could see a little bit of. I like the platform as far as setting profit targets and stop losses, but that you would always have a little bit of a glitch where they would tick you out before you ever seen the candle go there.
Yeah.
And so that's why I kind of stepped away from them. But yeah, they were one of my top ones for a while. So
Favorite ones. Wow. Man, well the short is shorting right now, guys. Trying to get back into the Tradivate once again. I mean, it's it's just a fool's errand at this point, but man, so apparently we should be trading Top Step today because their stuff actually works. He goes, looks like Tradivate and TradingView had a baby. That's probably actually a great
now a couple
blend,
months ago they took a huge hit because their stuff wasn't working and it was massive.
Oh, really?
And so now it's kind of funny. It's coming full circle now.
Now they're the heroes. So yeah, still shows me in short at 290s. Now we're down to the 224s. Just shows a -1 now though. It doesn't even show a value any longer. Oh, I'm gonna be pissed if it actually ends up doing something stupid like that. Look at this. Now it's showing I'm down 52 cents on the day.
So mine doesn't show anything now, but it shows I still have a position at 246. So
what the heck?
But I mean, your short is golden right now.
Well, yeah, insanely enough, it looks like it's just.
I mean, you're up 65 points.
Yeah, but look at this. All these accounts are showing I'm down 52 cents now. That's dumb. I'll be so disappointed if that's how we end up. That I end the day down 52 cents. That's it. Look at this. Welcome to Sink or Swim. This is a really nice consolidated pencil pattern. Now, when you see consolidated,
I mean, look, you were just up 76 points right there, and you called it the 100-point trade this week. So we're getting close.
Oh. Oh. Yeah, crazy, man. I like the button layout of Top Step, but they have a lot of slippage. It sometimes looks like the candle doesn't even get close to your stop lines, but it hits them anyways. Oh, damn, man. You know what's weird, too? I found there's a lot of slippage on the Tradivate app versus desktop trading. Like, if you try to just enter a market trade on the Tradivate app, you'll instantly be down $20 or something like that right away. So here we're setting up a really nice, potentially bear flag again. I would love to try to play it. I mean, we're down here at support though, so it also could be double bottom, just like we had kind of like a little double top here. This might be our little double bottom for us to start pushing back up again. Oh, babe, Tradovate is down. We haven't been able to trade. We've just been sitting here chatting. I took one trade.
Wait, hold on. You've been sitting here chatting?
No, not sitting here chatting. We're sitting here trying to troubleshoot, figure the thing out. I'm supposedly stuck in a trade.
Gotcha.
And we've either made $1 million or blew up the accounts. We don't know.
Did you feed the kid?
Yeah, I fed the kid.
You did?
Of course I fed the kid.
Are you lying? There's no sign of food being made in that kitchen.
I fed him with love and happiness. It's all he needs.
Did you feed him food?
It's all he needs to grow.
Okay. Next time you're just sitting here chilling with your friends, feed your kid and take off his diaper.
God. Short from the top, Marco. I mean, again, who the hell knows, man? I have no idea. No idea. I can't exit. I can't enter. Shows me down for some dumb reason. I wonder how long something like this lasts. I mean, it's already 45 minutes now. I feel like that's a long time. Well, all right, guys. I don't know. It stinks because look at this. It actually is showing my Tradeovate's dancing a little bit again, but it's obviously not going to be working. When Top Step went down, they went all the way down, he says. Oh, they were down all day is what he's saying. When they went down, they were down all day. Shoot, man. Yeah, I mean, I got to imagine that's a pretty robust system, right? It's got to be a crazy freaking system. Man, I did the update this morning too, and it was probably because of that stupid update. I shouldn't have done the update. If I hadn't done the update, we would have been fine. All right, I'm going to give it 2 more minutes. That's it. And then I think that's it, guys. Kind of seems like a waste of time now. Hey, Sod, what's up, bud? Kind of sitting here, not doing nothing, man. No, we have not been able to trade. Nope, we haven't been able to trade. We're stuck as well, bud. We tried to trade. Look at this. Supposedly, I'm stuck in a short. And I'm a genius because I'm up 30 points on it already. I was up 80 points on it. But again, I didn't actually. I mean, I didn't try to go short. I just tried to cover my long. That's where my long was covered, and instead it shows me in his short. As much as I'd like to pretend I called the top, I mean, I would say I covered perfectly. You know, that was a perfect cover.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, come on, guys. He was up 84 points at one time.
Yeah. Come on. Hey, you. Hi, you big old bear. We haven't seen you in a while. Give him a little cameo. Cameo to the people. Hi. You big stinking bear. He's such a Velcro dog. Oh, guys. Disappointing. Disappointing. Well, I guess that's it.
Yeah, I mean, pretty crazy. I mean, I don't know what else there is to do really, but
Yeah. I have the best chart resolution on YouTube, says Hydro. Look at
oh,
that.
nice.
That's a nice little feather in the cap. Which I
Yeah.
have no idea how, but you're right. It's pretty crispy, man. It's a little crispy. Well,
I mean, it
it's,
does look good.
it's no bad. It's no bad. Now, if only it would work. If the charts would actually work. Yeah, I think we finally figured out our volume relatively well as well, correct? Our volume sounds pretty decent. I think we're both balanced pretty well. I don't think it's echoing too bad.
Yeah, I mean, unless somebody has a different opinion, I think it sounded pretty good. I
Yeah.
noticed yesterday when I swapped over, they told me I was pretty low, but we got that put back right back up. So
Yeah, and it looked like I think you were you muted for the first maybe 4 minutes or 5 minutes of the video?
no, well, maybe. I mean, so I think I was just a little too low
Just
because
a
when
little
I
too low.
leaned into
Okay.
the mic, I think that's when they kind of said, "Hey, I can hear you now."
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah. Yeah, man, I went back and I watched the whole thing. So I didn't watch it until like it was like 7:30 at night. So it was well after you stopped streaming.
okay,
But I put it on
yeah,
2x and I zipped through it real quick. I saw that
yeah,
Miguel, wasn't it Miguel? Passed the eval yesterday.
yeah. I mean, killed it, right?
Hell yeah. Well, yeah, I don't know, man. Let me log in one more time. Last time, and if it doesn't work, I guess it's time to sign off. Man, I'm so stinking close to 300 too. I have 298 followers. So, if you're
Oh
currently
yeah,
watching this, first off, we'll do better tomorrow. Hopefully, equipment is working. But also, if you wouldn't mind following, I'd thoroughly appreciate it because I'm really trying to hit that 300. I'm literally 2 away. I mean, it's a small goal, it's a silly goal, but it's a fun goal, you know? All right, Trade of 8. Currently looking into data interruption, actively working on it, provide an update soon. So they are updating the message. Oh wow, now it flip-flopped on me again. Now it shows I'm up $87 again. And now all my accounts are up. Yeah, all my accounts are up $87 again. Look at that. We did it, chat. Woo!
whoa, there you
$87,
go.
5 accounts, $500. Time to sign up. Fuck me. And look at that. I'm even wearing my new shirt today, too, guys. What you think about that? Though this is a large. It's way too big for me. I just wanted to double check sizing and stuff. Well, yeah, man. I think that's it for me. I don't know. This just kind of seems pointless. Maybe they'll get it together by FOMC. Everybody stay green. Obviously, we have Papa Powell speaking at 2:30 today. We got FOMC at 2 o'clock today. So be careful of the volatility. Ride the waves as best you guys can once that volatility kicks in. I unfortunately will not be a part of it because I'm still building a fireplace, which actually I've really enjoyed. It's been a lot of stinking fun, man. It's been a cool process. This thing's like
Good.
20 foot
Yeah.
tall, 8 foot wide. Never done anything like it before, so yeah, it's actually been a lot of fun. Well, all right, man. I guess Trading Cowboy, do it again tomorrow, you know. I'll see you guys again
Yeah.
at about 9:25. Do you plan on streaming today? Do you want them to pop back over to you right now, or you gonna wait until
Yeah, I'm gonna
FOMC,
wait a little
or-
bit, but yeah, if we get Tradevate back up, I've logged into my old Top Step account just to see what going on there, and I can get logged in, and it shows everything's working, but I don't have any
Shoot.
candles. So
There you go. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Well, so
yeah, so I mean,
we're almost there.
it's moving and everything, but I don't have any candles. So
Yeah. Shoot, man. But yeah, so obviously make sure that you subscribe to Trading Cowboy. You'll get his notification hopefully sooner
yeah,
than later that everything is working. You can double check him live. He already passed 4 evals this week, guys, so he's a monster trader. Make sure you follow him, check him out, and hell yeah, we'll just keep rocking and rolling and see where this journey takes everybody. But yeah,
let's go.
appreciate you guys, and yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. Do you want to say anything on the way out, bud?
Hey, sink or swim,
Shoot.
giddy up.
There it is, guys. We appreciate you. Have a good